Oh, there she is in the car. Beep, 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 beep. How do you like that car, Dominique?
Fine.
Fine. There it is. Can you put it in gear? Okay, push on the pedal.
Push on the pedal. Stop. I stop.
Okay, push it again.
I stop. Go ahead and push on it, honey. Mommy will catch you.
Okay. Oh, hey, good job. Okay, now we got to put it backwards. Put it in reverse, Mommy. Can you go backwards? Push on the pedal, Muff.
Stop. Good job. What? Okay, now we go like this. We want to go forward. Touch me. Okay. Mom will catch you. Come on.
No.
Mom, push the backwards. Okay, wait. Let Mom catch you.
Put it in reverse, Muff.
Okay, go ahead, Mom. Okay, stop. You touch me. Thank you. Mom, go over. Mommy, go over. Go over. Okay, put it first. Put it in forward.
Go and put it in forward.
Okay, wait, let Mommy get behind you. Okay, go ahead. Come on. Keep going. Stop. You did it.
She's getting good. We're going to go in the driveway, Dominique.
In the couch. Okay, put it forward. You did it.
You did it, Dominique. Push on the pedal. Yay!
It's called reverse. Reverse.
Reverse. Dominique has her first Ferrari.
Okay, go ahead. You did it.
What is she saying?
Well, that way, Mommy could have it.
Oh. Okay, going forward. Push on the pedal. Oh. We're gonna go in the driveway pretty soon. Okay, say bye-bye. We're gonna stop tipping.
Bye.
Bye.